Welcome to your new home in Flex City. Spawn directly in your apartment every time you log in. Expand your space with new rooms, gym, armory, lounge, pool, and more. Train skills, upgrade weapons, and claim rewards inside. Showcase your rides in the garage and drive straight into the city. Invite friends, customize your lifestyle, and upgrade from a free economy flat to a luxury penthouse.